In this video, you will learn how to write the Lewis dot notation. In the previous videos you have watched, you have learned how to write the electronic configuration of an atom. In this video, we have three examples of electronic configuration. We have the electronic configuration for sodium, the electronic configuration for beryllium, and the electronic configuration for neon. Now, what's the importance of knowing how to write electronic configuration and its relationship to Lewis dot notation? Very simple. You need to know the valence electron of the atom in order for you to write the Lewis dot notation. So let's identify first the valence electron per atom. So let's start first with sodium. In order for you to identify the valence electron for the element sodium, there is a need for you to identify where is the highest energy level. In this case, the energy level are 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the highest energy level, meaning to say we can find the valence electron in the energy level of 3, and it is 1, meaning to say sodium has 1 valence electron. Let's try the second example. We have beryllium. Beryllium has 1 and 2 energy levels. The highest energy level is 2, meaning to say the valence electron is 2. How about for neon? The neon has 1 and 2 energy levels. If you are going to add electrons found in the 2 energy levels, we have 6 plus 2, we have 8. Meaning to say, the valence electron for neon is 8. So that's very easy. Always take note that these two are in the same energy levels. Okay, so how do we write the Lewis dot notation? Now that we know the number of valence electron, the next step is to write first the symbol of the element. So let's start first with sodium. For sodium, we shall write first the symbol of the element. After that, since you already know the valence electron will be symbolized by a dot. Since we only have one valence electron for sodium, it is symbolized by one dot only at the top. If you don't want to write it on top, you can also write it in this side or in this side. If you don't want that, it can also be written on this side. As long as it has one dot, that is correct. Now this time, let's try to write the electron dot notation, the Lewis dot notation for beryllium. Of course, you shall start with the symbol of the element and you utilize the 2 valence electrons. So in writing this, you need to write the dots separately, either clockwise or counterclockwise. In this case, I'm going to write the first dot here and the second dot here. So that's how you write the Lewis dot notation for the element beryllium. But then you can, just like sodium, you can also do counterclockwise position, just like that. Or if you don't want to start on top, you can start on the right corner, then proceed at the bottom part. So that's how you write the Lewis dot notation for the element beryllium. Now the next one is neon. Neon has 8 valence electrons, so you have to draw the 8 valence electron around the symbol of the element. So in order for you to achieve symmetry, I usually do this, divide this into 4, and then I'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to write the cross. You just have to imagine the cross inside the element. So let me just rewrite for you not to be confused. So this time we will try to just imagine the cross section. So we have Na, Ne, neon. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's how you write the Lewis dot notation for the element.